channel. We're thrilled to have you join us for a peaceful and enchanting journey. If you enjoy this story, please remember to subscribe to our channel for more soothing bedtime stories and relaxation content. Don't forget to activate the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. If this story helps you relax and sleep better, give it a thumbs up and feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for joining us. Now, enjoy and sweet dreams. Part 1. The Descent. In a world where the surface shimmered with the light of progress and the hum of industry, there lay a forgotten entrance to the mysteries below. It was hidden in the depths of an ancient forest where the trees whispered secrets to the wind, and the ground was thick with the scent of moss and earth. This entrance, overgrown and unnoticed by most, was the beginning of a journey for a solitary explorer named Aidan. Aidan was a seeker of truths, a wanderer whose heart pulsed with the rhythm of curiosity. His eyes, ever searching, had caught a fleeting reference to an underground city in the pages of an old, tattered journal. This city, it was said, held the remnants of a once great civilization, its halls filled with strange creatures and forgotten technology. Most importantly, it was believed to harbor a source of energy that had the power to change the world above. On a quiet morning, as the first light of dawn broke through the canopy, Aidan found the entrance. The air was cool and still, and the forest seemed to hold its breath as he approached. Pushing aside the vines that obscured the way, he revealed a set of stone steps leading downward into the darkness. With a deep breath and a heart full of anticipation, Aidan began his descent. Part 2. The Arrival. The steps seemed endless, winding deeper and deeper into the earth. The light from above grew faint, replaced by a soft, ethereal glow emanating from the walls. These walls were adorned with intricate carvings, depicting scenes of an ancient civilization in harmony with nature. Their technology seamlessly integrated into the natural world. The deeper Aidan went, the more he felt as if he were stepping back in time, into a realm where the lines between magic and science blurred. At last, he reached the bottom of the stairs and stepped into a vast cavern. The air was cool and carried the faint scent of minerals and damp stone. Before him stretched an underground city, its architecture both alien and familiar. Towers and spires rose from the cavern floor, their surfaces covered in glowing runes and symbols. Bridges of light spanned chasms, and strange, luminescent flora bathed the city in a soft, surreal light. Aidan's heart swelled with wonder as he took in the sight. He felt as if he had entered a dream, a place where reality and fantasy intertwined. The city was alive with the hum of ancient technology, a testament to the ingenuity of its creators. He could sense the presence of life, though it was different from anything he had ever known. Part 3. The Inhabitants. As Aidan ventured deeper into the city, he encountered its inhabitants. They were beings of light and shadow, their forms shifting and fluid, reflecting the duality of their nature. Some had features reminiscent of humans, while others were more abstract, their shapes constantly changing. These creatures, though strange, exuded a sense of wisdom and tranquility, as if they held the knowledge of eons within their ethereal forms. One such being, a guardian of the city, approached Aidan. Its eyes were like pools of liquid light filled with an ancient intelligence. "Welcome, seeker," it spoke, its voice a melodic blend of sounds and emotions. "You have journeyed far to reach this place. What is it that you seek?" "I seek the source of energy that lies within this city," Aidan replied, his voice steady despite the awe that filled him. "I believe it can bring great change to the world above." The guardian nodded, a gesture both human and otherworldly. "The energy you seek is indeed powerful, but it is also sacred. It is the lifeblood of our city, the essence that sustains us. To harness it, you must first understand it. Come, and I will guide you." Part 4. The Heart of the City. Aidan followed the guardian through the winding streets of the city, marveling at the seamless blend of nature and technology. The buildings seemed to grow organically from the ground, their surfaces alive with bioluminescent plants and intricate designs. The air was filled with a soft, melodic hum, the resonance of the city's energy. They arrived at a central plaza where a massive crystalline structure rose from the ground. It pulsed with light, its facets reflecting a spectrum of colors that danced and shimmered. The guardian gestured towards it. "This is the heart of the city, the source of the energy you seek. It is a living entity, connected to all that exists within these walls." Aidan approached the crystal, feeling its warmth radiate through the air. He could sense its power, a deep, throbbing pulse that seemed to resonate with his very soul. The guardian spoke again, its voice filled with a profound reverence. "To understand this energy, you must open your mind and heart. You must connect with the essence of our world, and in doing so, you will find the answers you seek." Part 5. The Connection. Aidan closed his eyes and placed his hands on the crystal. As he did, a surge of energy coursed through him, filling him with visions and emotions beyond his comprehension. He saw the history of the underground city, the rise and fall of its civilization, the harmony they had achieved with their environment. He felt the hopes and dreams of its inhabitants, their joys and sorrows, their triumphs and losses. He also saw the present, the delicate balance that sustained the city. The energy was not just a power source. It was a living force, a symbiotic relationship between the city and its environment. To harness it recklessly would mean disrupting this balance, causing harm to the very essence of the city. As the visions faded, Aidan opened his eyes, his heart filled with a deep understanding. he realized that the true power of the energy lay not in its ability to fuel machines, but in its potential to teach harmony and balance. It was a lesson that the world above desperately needed to learn. Part 6. The Decision. The guardian watched him with knowing eyes. You have seen the truth, seeker. What will you do with this knowledge? Aiden took a deep breath, his mind clear and his resolve strong. I will share this wisdom with the world above. We must learn to live in harmony with our environment, to respect the delicate balance that sustains us all. The energy of your city is a testament to that truth. The guardian nodded, a serene smile gracing its features. Go then, and carry this message with you. The path will not be easy, but it is a journey worth undertaking. Remember, the greatest power lies not in domination, but in understanding and unity. Part 7. The Return. With the guardian's blessing, Aiden made his way back through the winding streets of the underground city. The journey back to the surface felt different, the weight of his new understanding making each step purposeful and deliberate. As he ascended the stone steps, the light from above grew stronger, illuminating his path. When he emerged from the entrance, the forest greeted him with a chorus of bird songs and the gentle rustle of leaves. The world above seemed brighter, more vibrant, each detail a testament to the interconnectedness of life. Aiden knew that his journey was just beginning, that the knowledge he had gained was a gift to be shared. Part 8. The New Beginning. Back in his village, Aiden gathered the people and told them of his journey. He spoke of the underground city, the strange and beautiful creatures, and the ancient technology that harmonized with nature. He shared the lessons he had learned, the importance of balance and respect for the natural world. His words resonated with the villagers, planting seeds of change in their hearts. They began to adopt practices that honored the environment, integrating the wisdom of the underground city into their daily lives. The village thrived, a beacon of harmony and sustainability. Aiden's journey had come full circle, his quest for energy transforming into a mission of enlightenment. The underground city remained a hidden wonder, its secrets preserved, but its wisdom shared. And as Aiden looked out over his village, he knew that the true source of power lay in the unity of all living things, in the delicate balance that sustained them. Part 9. Legacy of the Underground City. Years passed, and the story of Aiden's journey spread far and wide. People from distant lands came to learn from the village, to see the harmony that had been achieved. Aiden became a revered figure, a symbol of wisdom and understanding. His teachings inspired countless others to seek balance in their own lives, to respect the interconnectedness of all things. The village grew into a thriving community, its influence reaching beyond its borders. The lessons of the underground city became a guiding principle for many, a reminder that true progress could only be achieved through harmony with the natural world. Aiden's journey had sparked a movement, a ripple of change that spread across the land. In his later years, Aiden often returned to the entrance of the underground city. He would sit in quiet reflection, feeling the pulse of the earth beneath him, a reminder of the journey that had changed his life. He knew that the city still thrived below, a hidden world of wonder and wisdom. Part 10. The Eternal Message. As Aiden's time on Earth came to an end, he felt a profound sense of peace. He had fulfilled his purpose, sharing the wisdom of the underground city with the world above. His legacy lived on in the hearts and minds of those he had inspired, a testament to the power of understanding and unity. On his final day, surrounded by loved ones, Aiden spoke his last words. Remember, the greatest power lies not in domination, but in understanding and unity. The energy of life is a delicate balance, a symphony of interconnectedness. Cherish it, protect it, and let it guide you. Aiden's passing marked the end of an era, but his message endured. The underground city remained a hidden gem, its secrets preserved for future seekers. And as the world above continued to evolve, the lessons of balance and harmony became a guiding light, a beacon of hope in a complex and ever-changing world. Thus, the story of Aiden and the underground city became a legend, a tale of exploration, wisdom, and the eternal quest for understanding. It is a reminder that true power lies not in what we can take, but in what we can learn, and in the harmony we can create.